Welcome to the most important, yet utterly trivial, discussion on statistics you'll ever encounter: levels of measurement. Don't worry, we're not taking this seriously. If you're studying statistics or research, you've probably heard of these mysterious levels of measurement. They sound complicated, but honestly, they're just fancy ways of sorting data. In short, levels of measurement tell you how much information your data actually holds. We have four main levels: nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. Spoiler, it only gets slightly more complex from here. The official line is, knowing the level helps you pick the right statistical test. The trivial line, if you don't care, you might use an average on something that can't be averaged. Whoops, but hey, it's not that serious, right? Let's start with nominal. Say it with me, nominal. Nominal data is just names or labels. Think of it like categorizing your socks by color: red, blue, green. They are just categories with no inherent order. You can count how many blue socks you have, but you can't say blue is better or bigger than red. It's just a name, hence nominal. Simple as that. Next up, we have the ordinal level. This is nominal, but now we've added a dash of order. Ordinal data ranks things like small, medium, and large. We know large is bigger than medium, but we don't know if the jump from small to medium is the same as medium to large. It's a ranking system, so someone ranked highly satisfied is clearly happier than somewhat satisfied. But you can't really quantify that difference. It's like race results. First place is better than second, but we don't know how much faster they ran. Moving on to interval data. Now we're getting serious. Well, relatively speaking. Interval data has order, and the distance between data points is meaningful and consistent. Think of temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit. The difference between 20 and 30 degrees is the same as the difference between 30 and 40 degrees. Here's the catch. There's no true zero. 0 degrees Celsius doesn't mean no heat. It's just an arbitrary point. Because of this, you can't say 40 degrees is twice as hot as 20 degrees. Bummer for the math lovers. And finally, we have the ratio level. This is the top tier of data measurement. Ratio data has order, meaningful distance, and crucially, a true zero. Zero means the complete absence of the thing being measured. Examples include height, weight, income, or time spent watching this video. Because of that true zero, you can finally use ratios. You can confidently say that 10 pounds is twice as heavy as 5 pounds. It's the full package. You can do all the math here. So that's it. You've conquered the levels of measurement. See? Told you it wasn't that serious. Quick recap. Nominal is just names. Ordinal is names with order. Interval has equal gaps, but no real zero. Ratio has everything, including a true zero. Now go forth and sort your data. Or don't. Your choice. Thanks for joining this trivial lesson. Hopefully, you now feel slightly more knowledgeable, but still know it's not the end of the world if you mix them up.